So today it's gonna be another installation on my car. So today we'll be looking into the cabin light. So the stock cabin light what we get in Polo 2016 Polo is this. You can see this. So this comes with a halogen bulb. You can replace it with LED as well, but it's just a single light source. As you can see here, it's just a single light. We will be replacing this with the PASSAT cabin light, which is this one. So this is the PASSAT one. So what it has 4 LEDs, individual reading lights and red ambient lights as well. So this is it looks good in the Polo, and you have the LED lights, red LED lights, which eliminates the gearbox. Gear lever. So this comes with this setup. You have this harness as well. This will be just plug and play, and this wire is for ambient light. So yeah, sorry for I ordered the wrong color, but that's okay. It looks good anyways. So let's get started with the installation. Okay, before I get started with the installation, as I said, this comes with 4 LEDs. The LEDs are T10. The stock LEDs what we get is the halogen ones. These are the LEDs which we get in stock. These are halogen ones. The brightness is not that great. I replaced this with the LEDs, white LEDs. I think the brand is Osram T10 LED. I'll leave the link, product link in the description section. So this is the setup, and let's get started with the installation. So to install the PASSAT style cabin light, first we need to remove this stock cabin light. This is fairly simple. First you need to remove this part of the light. Use a pry tool and this will come off. So as I've already removed the screws, let me show you. There are 2 screws here. These are Torx T20 screws. You need this screw bit to remove the screws. So once the screws are off, you just need to pull this. You have latches over here. Hold it and pull it out. So once this is off, you have this connector over here. So this is off. So once you've removed this stock cabin light, as I said, this comes with this harness. So this is just plug and play. Just insert this plug over here, and the lights are on as the key is on here. So once this is installed, this will be functional. Additional thing what you need to do is, there's an extra cable. This is for ambient lighting. So for this, what we need to do is, we need to prepare a wire. Attach this wire to this, and the other end of this wire goes to the 17th terminal of this auto switch light, as you can see here. So I have attached this to the 17th terminal of the auto headlamp switch socket. So once this is connected, you get the ambient lighting as well. So let me connect this and get back to you with a complete functionality of it. So this is how we have done the wiring. We have removed the A-pillar trim, routed this wire. As I said, this goes to the 17th pin. We have tapped it, and we have taken the wire through A-pillar, and this comes through the top, and we have pulled this wire here and fixed it to this light, ambient light wire. So this is the complete wiring of it. Now finally we'll finish the wiring and show the final outcome of it. Okay, the wiring is done, the setup is done. We just have to add the A-pillar trim. We'll add it later. So let me show you how the lights perform. So this is the complete setup. The illumination of this ambient light, this gives a wonderful feel inside the cabin, because my car theme is black and red, and it illuminates my gear knob, as you can see here. It's like around 10 to 15% of the lighting. It doesn't disturb your driving as well. So this is the ambient light, you can see here. So this doesn't disturb you, this just directly falls on the gear knob. So this is the PASSAT cabin light setup in Polo. So we have done the installation and the setup. If you like the video, do like the video, share the video, and if you have any queries, do drop in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Bye bye.